the headquarters of the Supreme Court of Justice as the hearings continues in the judicial process of the July 28th elections.
It's conducted today, the hearing, and in the morning, these presentations have been developing.
So we are live here at the Electoral Chamber of the Supreme Court of Justice as the hearings continues in this judicial process of the July 28th elections, a judicial process that began after President Nicolas Maduro filed an appeal to investigate everything that has to do with the electoral process. In the morning, we had the appearances before the court of Manuel Rosales, of the Un Nuevo Tiempo, of José Luis Cartaya, of La Mesa de Unidad Democrática, and José Simón Calzadilla of Movimiento por Venezuela, who came here before the electoral chamber of the Supreme Court of Justice to present their allegations and evidence on everything that is being investigated during the July 28th elections. Edmundo González, the far-right former candidate, was also supposed to attend. He was scheduled to appear before the Electoral Council, but he decided not to show to his appointment here before the Supreme Court of Justice, which was denounced and is put on the minutes by the president of the failed to attend of the former far-right candidate Edmundo González to these hearings to present their allegations or whatever evidence they had to. Not moving on, we are going to continue watching live these images as we wait for the President of the Supreme Court of Justice to come out to begin this hearing, the first one in the afternoon of this judicial process that is taking place to determine everything that had to do with the electoral day of July 28th. Must remember that there has been a very strong media campaign, especially by Western legacy media, that have tried to discredit the electoral system, an electoral system that is categorized by many experts as one of the best of the world, an electoral day that was held under the eyes of thousands of international observers who have come and said that the electoral transparent and very efficient and very secure. During this, the National Electoral Council has denounced several cyber attacks against its website, against its digital pages, trying to hinder the count of the process, the count of the votes. In this case, we are waiting for the beginning. These are the images that we're seeing, live images, as the hearing for Luis Parra of Venezuela Force, of Primero Venezuela, is about to begin. The official is present with his legal counselor. We are seeing their images as the Attorney General of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela, Terry William Saab, entered the room and he greeted the officials that came this time to this hearing to present their allegations and evidence on everything that has to do with the July 28th and present the documents that they have available. As we were saying, this is the hearing of Luis Parra from Primero Venezuela, Venezuela First, and it's the first hearing that is going to be conducted in these afternoon hours. Also cited for these hearings in the afternoon hours is Conrado Pérez Linares of Primero Justicia, Omar Ávila of Unidad Visión Venezuela, Shane Bucaram of Venezuela Unida, and after all these people come, the former candidate Jose Brito is also expected to attend the hearing. We are seeing the President of the Supreme Court of Justice enter the room and the hearing is about to begin.
It's been declared opened the hearing. Clerk, please go to announce the objective of the hearing, which is in conformity with the seen in the Article 85 and 12 and 14 of the Civil Procedure applicable to the Supreme Court of Justice, and to the ends of these candidates must respond the questions made by these magistrates. So, for the record, it is present Luis Eduardo Parra Rivero, ID 14,012,113, and representative of Primero Venezuela, and assisted by the lawyer Santos, and it is being recorded that Tarek William Saab is present as the Attorney General of the Republic. That's all, President. So, in this way,
the hearing begins of Luis Parra. The hearing in this judicial process that is being held at the Electoral Chamber of the Supreme Court of Justice in the context of everything that came in the aftermath of the electoral day, where President Maduro was elected by the popular vote of the Venezuelan people as the president for the term 2025-2031.